When it comes to property management software, PropData stands out with its unique features. But before you make your decision to buy, here are 12 things you need to know. We'll compare it to other property management tools to make sure you're making the right choice. First, PropData is designed to simplify property management. But is it the most user-friendly option out there? Many competitors offer more intuitive interfaces, which means you'll likely have a steeper learning curve when getting started with PropData. It's important to take this into consideration if you're looking for something that's easy to pick up quickly. Next thing to consider, PropData offers solid features for managing properties, from tracking rent payments to handling maintenance requests. However, when compared to others like Rentec Direct or AppFolio, it lacks some advanced functionality, such as tenant portals with payment processing options built directly into the platform. If you rely on tenants managing payments through an integrated system, this could be a downside. The third thing, reporting. PropData's reporting features are functional but basic. While they provide you with the necessary insights into your properties, they don't offer the same depth or customization that competitors like Buildium or Yardi offer. If you need detailed, customized reports that can adapt to various needs, you might find PropData lacking in this area. Moving on to the fourth thing, customer support. PropData does provide support, but again, it's not as extensive or responsive as some competitors. Companies like AppFolio are known for their high-quality customer service, available through various channels, and may be worth considering if you anticipate needing a lot of help setting up or troubleshooting. The fifth thing is about pricing. PropData is competitive in terms of pricing, but it can still be expensive for smaller property managers. For the features they offer, other software options like Rentec Direct or Tenant Cloud might offer better value, especially if you're on a budget. Next thing to know is that PropData allows you to manage multiple properties easily. However, when compared to competitors, it's not as flexible when managing properties in different locations. If you have a large, diverse portfolio, consider alternatives that offer more location-based customization, like Yardi. The seventh thing, mobile app functionality. PropData's mobile app has some basic functionality, but it's not as refined as those of competitors like Buildium. If you're someone who relies heavily on managing properties on the go, PropData's mobile experience may leave you wanting more. The eighth thing to note is integrations. PropData offers a decent set of integrations, but when compared to other platforms, it falls short in terms of compatibility with third-party tools. If you use a lot of software outside of the property management space, make sure PropData integrates well with your existing systems. The ninth thing to think about is automation. PropData offers some automated features, like reminders for rent due dates and maintenance requests. However, it doesn't quite match the level of automation found in competitors such as AppFolio, which has more extensive workflow automation tools for a more streamlined experience. The 10th thing, customization. PropData does let you personalize certain aspects of your property management experience, but it's still limited compared to other software. For instance, if you want to make custom fields or create personalized workflows, other tools like Yardi or Buildium are far more flexible in these areas. Next, let's talk about scalability. PropData is good for smaller operations, but as your business grows, you might hit limits on what it can handle. For larger portfolios or multi-location operations, alternatives like Rentec Direct or AppFolio are much more scalable and provide better long-term solutions. The 12th thing is data security. PropData has adequate security measures in place, but when compared to others, it's not as robust. If you're dealing with sensitive data like tenant information or financials, platforms like Yardi or AppFolio offer more advanced security features to protect your business. In conclusion, PropData is a good option if you're managing a smaller property portfolio and don't need complex features. It provides a decent user experience at an affordable price, but lacks in several areas like customer support, reporting, and scalability. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive and flexible solution, consider checking out our recommended alternative. You can try it for free